Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to jump on and do a quick update and review of the free bot system. But first, I would like for you to click the thumb until it turns blue, click the little notification bell, and share the video if you enjoy the content that I'm producing on this channel. As you know, my aim here is to show you that making money online is real. Also, it doesn't cost an arm and a leg to do it. You don't got to break the bank. You don't got to go broke trying to be successful online. All it takes is some patience, consistency, and just, you gotta grind, okay? But it's all possible, and this channel is designed to show you that with all the other content that I like to provide, the free methods, right? But anyway, that's enough about that. What I want to show you today is I want to show you two demos that I got my hands on that actually show the chatbot in full effect. I don't know if they're fully functional demos because I haven't played around with it, but I will, we'll do a live or recorded. We'll get it out of the way. I don't think it should be a problem, but I'll go ahead and show that. And then I just want to go over to Facebook and then the typical review of the page and show you, a little bonuses at the end. So anyway, without further ado, let's jump right in. And as you see here, this is the Facebook group. Now there's 725 members. People are in here, and I just want to show you some of the stuff that's going on here. You get daily calls, Monday through Saturday, right? Because Sunday's the day of rest, right? We you show honor and respect that day. So we have training Monday through Saturday for you to get live training. You can call in on a Zoom call, or you can jump in live on a Facebook, right? And then you see you can give testimonials. These guys are giving testimonials. That's Lance there, and here's Frank Calabro Jr. I want to show you this. He has shared in 84 hours. He has shared to 397 people, right? That's amazing, but that translates into money, and I'll show you right here. So he's made $750 from a free system. He gave it away for free. It's generated him income, and for you to find that out, you need to click the link below and sign up for a free account yourself, right? No, seriously, but I'll show you here in a minute. But so then you have some more testimonials. I want to show you this real quick. Look at this guy here. This guy has 1,517 members. Now, he promoted it, of course, but look where all the promotions came in at. So he promoted it here. This is his second line. Here's these people got these people in. Then these people got this line in, 77, right? Then this 77 people got these 72 people in. These 72 people got these 369 people in. And it just keeps rippling like that. And as you know, this compensation plan is 5 levels deep. So he's at 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. This is into his compensation plan. That's 5 levels, right? So he's getting paid all the way up to this guy, this line here. And then, but it's amazing how that works, okay? And I'll show you a little bit about the compensation plan in a minute. I just wanted to show you that because I thought that was awesome. Also, as you come in a group, you get people that are creating like different posts and ads that are generic that you can use in your promotion, throughout Facebook and other social media platforms, which is awesome. Everybody's, as a team, everybody's helping each other out. And it's amazing because that's what affiliate marketing is. We're really all just promoting the same product. So, team effort, we go to the same training and we all get the same, win-win-win type of attitude, right? So anyway, that's the Facebook group. Now let's jump over to, that's a capture page. This is the capture page, that's my bonus page. I can never find the page that I want because I got 100 of them open. Here we go. Here's your support page when you come in after you sign up. This is the page you get. This will be yours, and it gives you a breakdown of everything that you get. I just want to touch on the simple compensation plan because you saw all of those leads on that page, that 1,517 of them. I just want to show you how that translates on this page. Now, like I said, you get other means and of promoting this and different support tools and materials, resources. So that's that. You get videos explaining the compensation plan and everything you get. But I want to show you this real quick. So you see that guy or whoever's list that was, he had 1,517 people. That puts him in this category here. He would have to pay $20 a month to maintain his list. Now, if you didn't know, all affiliate marketers have a list, and they all keep a list somewhere, whether it be on an autoresponder, email autoresponder, or in this case, in this this bot system, right? So he would pay $25 a month, but he has so many people in his group that on his first level, he's gonna make this commission, second level, this commission, third level, this commission, and you see he has more than 5, right? On that diagram we saw. So he's about to make a nice recurring commission if his downline, all the way down to level 5, decide to keep, all of those, all of their leads, and and pay for them according to this table here. So that's recurring residual income, and maybe you only promoted and got like 5 originally. So that means your account would have been free, and then everybody else would be rippling up to pay for you, to pay you, right? Or even if you got 500, right, you pay $10 a month, and the money that's coming up covers that, so you still don't pay nothing. So that's how that works. That's a little bit, and then there's other plans here that I'll let you check out, and I got other videos breaking that down. But what I want to do is, so I want to do that, and before we get to the demo, because I'm gonna show that next, I want to show you my bonuses. My bonuses right here. Here's my bonus page, which will be in the description box below. It's only good until May 17th. From now to May 17th, so just be aware of that. Because then I'm going to remove the page. When you scroll down as a free member, here's what you get. You get to join. You get free access to my free bot team rotator during the pre-launch period, which is from the 19th to May 17th, right? Now, what this means, I really want to explain what this means. It doesn't mean that you're going to get 100 leads. It doesn't mean that you're going to constantly have a traffic flow going to your offer. That's your job. What I'm offering here is an assistance. So I already get traffic coming to all of my other businesses, all of my other offers. What I do is I create a rotator link for my team and put it into my traffic flow. While I'm running traffic consistently to my other offers, you'll get a piece of that. But it's no way intended to be a way for you to just let it, and you're not gonna get 100 clicks. You're not gonna get, half of the clicks, because I'm offering it as a free incentive for you to see how the business works, for you to get you going. Okay, so I just want to make that clear, because I know that I'm in a rotator for a different opportunity, a team rotator, and I know that it can be confusing because people say, well, it's for my. I'm not gonna say the name of the company, but people complain because they may not get enough leads when it's a free. It's part of just joining in. So, the mentor, I guess I'll call him, in my other group says, look, this traffic source, because he gets thousands of dollars in traffic a month anyway. So he's like, look, this traffic isn't for you. I share it with my team. Now, you're not going to be able to run your business off of my free traffic that I'm giving you. It's just an extra. And that's what I'm offering here, is something extra. So you may get 2 or 3 leads or 4 leads a day, and then it may stop until I run my next traffic run. But all I'm saying is that your link will be in my rotator, in my traffic flow, from the 19th to the 17th. So you're bound to get something. Everything else is all up to you and your effort. So I just want to make sure that's clear, because I know in other groups, the same rotator, the co-op rotator, and that kind of traffic thing is always an issue of contention between people, and I don't want it to be that way. So I'm laying it out now so that there's no problems and no misunderstandings. And this is a free incentive to join the group, to see how it works, and even a bonus if you are on the group, that that we all are on the same team. We all striving for success. So anyway, I just wanted to, I'm not that kind of person. I'm a good guy, so I don't, I'm trying to help people. So anyway, so that's the free offer. And if you come in at the upgrade, the lifetime, which is only limited time, if you come in this because there's only 300 spots, I'll give you all of this. I'll give you the same. I'll give you the same things. Also, what I was thinking, I have another program that's absolutely free to join. That I'll give you that too. And part of this program that I'm going to give you with this lifetime bonus, it teaches you how to brand yourself, and it's free. So I'll throw that in there too, and you can make $25 as a free member off of it, and potentially $125 a pop. So I'll throw that in too, and that's something that I'll update on my page, but that's totally doable. I'll throw that in. I just want to provide all the value, and of course I'll be here to help you along the way, because I'm not going nowhere. I love affiliate marketing, and actually I love helping people, and I think this is where I'm supposed to be, right? So anyway, for residents of the U.S., I give these bonuses here, and they're smartwatch, Bluetooth speaker, 3-night hotel getaway, and a 7-inch Android tablet. Those are for my U.S. residents. For my non-U.S. residents who join me, I give you all the same things except for the electronics. And instead of giving you the electronics, I give you free 200 clicks to your free bot system URL. So it has to be your bot system URL. I'll give you 200 free clicks, and from my personal traffic source, because I sell traffic too. So I'll give you 200 clicks, and then we'll go from there. Okay. So that's what I offer, and it's the onus is on you to get with me, either a free member or not. You get with me, supply me your link, I add you to the rotator. You get with me on these free bonuses, then I supply them to you. The way the system is set up now, there's no way for me to get in contact with you, and there's no way for me to get in contact with you. So you have to get in contact with me, and my contact information is right here. So my Facebook, my YouTube, and my email address. So anyway, that's my bonuses. That's laid out like that. And yes, they're all legit. And yes, I stick to my word, and I stick to exactly what I just said. So, and these bonuses are only good from April 19th to May 17th. So anyway, that's out of the way. Let's get into the nitty gritty, because I know you really want to see the demo. So the first demo is going to be, this is the main page, and it's called 𝗵𝗲𝘱𝑇HBot.com, and you can go check this out yourself. I'll leave a link in the description box below, I believe. I'll check on that, but it may be in the box. Anyway, it's called 𝗵𝗲𝘱𝑇HBot.com, and let's go there right now. And as you can see, the first thing you see here is oops. Man, I wanted to show you that pop up, but it popped up over me, right? I should have moved my big old head over here. But that's 𝗵𝗲𝘱𝑇HBot. So it pops up, right? And it automatically knows who I am. And it says, hi, how can I help you? So let's click continue, right? Click continue. Oh, I'm on the wrong screen. Let's click continue. And it opens up the messenger, but also it opens up over here in Facebook, right? So it says what? It says, would you like to easily build a much larger list, make a lot more sales, and save a lot of time, and make money sharing me for free, right? So then you hit yes, right? And it says, hi, S.Dean. How did they know it was me? I don't know. Maybe because Facebook is everywhere. My name is Barry. I'm an automated messenger bot. I work 24 hours a day for free to help. I build a list, generate more leads, sales, and save time. And yes, I did say for free, right? You got David Chappelle from Half Baked. But anyway, I know I'm silly. So then you got these other conversations. Would you like a free bot? Why would I give you a free bot? Once I prove I can grow your business, you might want other things I can offer. And then it goes through the rest of the conversation. You can reserve a free bot which requires 2 things, right? First, confirm your email address and And boom, it has my email freaking address that I don't even share with nobody. That's hilarious. So anyway, but see, you see how it identified that, so I can skip that, right? That's funny. And then we need your email address to set up a login to your free account. The email address you provide will only be used for login and communication concerning the free bot system. First, confirm your address. So anyway, it keeps telling me to confirm the address. I'm not going to do that. Well, yeah. Well, what I'll do is I'll confirm it. Here we go. I'll just confirm it, and we'll see where it goes. It says, okay, click to confirm my freaking phone number, right? So now it has my phone number. So anyway, I'll just leave it there. But you see the power of this bot, okay? You know, it basically it gives my information away on YouTube. But whatever, it's already out there. It's out there on the interwebs. But anyway, that's this demo. And now let's jump over to the other demo that I have. And let's shut this down here. I think that's hilarious, right? Just put my business all on the streets. So anyway, this next page is another demo that I got my hands on, and let's check it out. All right, this is list leverage, obviously. If you didn't know, this is list leverage. And now check it out. It already recognized me again. And it says, now mind you, there's no capture page. This bot is the capture page. And it says chat with automated income generating machine, right? Click the button below. Click the button for free, right? So I'll click continue as me. Why not? Continue as S.Dean. Why not? That's me. So now it starts the conversation. And it says, hi, how would $1,000 a day change your life? Now, what makes this amazing is typical capture pages don't do nothing, right? They're static. But this is very interactive. It engages the lead, right? It makes the lead want to answer the questions. Once you get the clicking and answering questions and laughing and having fun with it, you're just gonna click, 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 click. Next thing you know, you're signed in, opted in, and you may have purchased already and didn't even know it, right? Right? So that's what this is doing. And it's like, it would be nice. If I won $1,000 a day, it would be great, or it's life-changing. Say I click life-changing, because that's what it would be, $1,000 a day. Come on, that's a lot of money, right? So then it prompts the next series of questions, and you got Eddie Murphy's, Beverly Hills Cop thing, drinking on the beach, and then, again, it addresses me by name. S.Dean, we can change your life. Then it has other pictures, but first, what I need to do is confirm this. Now, it presents the person with their email. First of all, I'm shocked. Like, you ain't even supposed to have that email. You know what I'm saying? That's not the email I share. You know what I'm saying? But that's amazing because it gets your Facebook information, okay? So that's the point. And you just confirm or deny it. And if you deny it, obviously you saw from a few minutes ago, it's going to say, hey, I need an email from you, right? It already has it, but it needs your permission. Or it needs the correct one, right? And this is where, someone's going to enter their information or whatever, and it's going to still walk you through the rest of the conversation. But we'll just stop here because I don't want to enter my information into list leverage because actually I'm already a member in that. So anyway, that's all that I got. I just wanted to show you 2 quick demos of how this actually works, and I didn't really mean to drag you on this long into the video, but as you can see, it's well worth it. You see how the demo works. You see the potential, right, of the interaction of how it can get a lead in here and make it do things that, start answering the questions and get their information. But anyway, that's all that I got. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for hanging out.